Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact error type and where it appears. That tells you the repair path. Look at the formula bar and press Ctrl+ to reveal formulas across the sheet. Once done, check whether references point to deleted rows, misspelled names, or mismatched ranges. Make sure to inspect named ranges and external links because many errors originate there. You'll act on these discoveries next, correcting references or restoring missing sheets before testing the formula again. You now repair the formula itself by adjusting references and verifying function inputs. Change relative to absolute references where copying broke calculations. That prevents shifting errors. If the formula points to another workbook, update or re-establish the link so values resolve. Also check each function's arguments. Text where a number is required causes hash value, for example. Once these edits are made, recalc the sheet and use evaluate formula to step through execution. That reveals hidden logic faults and confirms the fix. You finish by thoroughly testing and making the formula robust. Run evaluate formula and Excel's error checking. Step through calculation to ensure outputs match expectations. Then optimize. Add data validation or wrap risky expressions in IFR so unexpected inputs don't break reports. Once stable, recalc the workbook with F9 and scan dependent sheets for ripple effects. If something still fails, check for hidden sheets, circular references, or volatile functions. That single troubleshooting tip often uncovers persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.